Student, good morning. I am Pradeep Sharma. Today we are going to start the chapter number 5. The name of the chapter that is acid, base and salt. You know, in our daily life we taste different types of substances, and some have the sour taste, some have sweet, bitter, salty. Even some substances are tasteless, like when we taste the curd, lemon, orange, tamarind, that have the sour taste. But glucose, sugar, ripened apple, that have sweet taste. In spite of that, baking soda, that have bitter tastes. In this way, we saw that different type of substances have different taste. But generally, we can say that some substances give the taste sour. That substances is called acidic substances. So what is the definition of acidic substances? The substances that have a taste of the sour, that is called acidic substances, right? Another is basic substances. Or basic substances is that the substances that have the bitter taste, that substance is called basic. So acidic and basic. Acidic have sour taste and basic have bitter taste. Clear? Now let's move ahead. But there are some precautions. We should not taste every substances because it can harm to us. Different types of substances have different taste. But to identify the taste, we should not eat the substances because it can harm our body. So how could you identify these different substances? We have some indicators. That will indicate you that it is acidic substances or basic substances. Clear? Different types of indicators are we will see or discuss about in the next topic, next lecture. So right now we are going to start the acid. What is acid? It is sour in taste. It will produce hydrogen or hydronium ion when it is dissolved in water. When any substances that dissolve in water, it will produce hydrogen ion or hydronium ion, then we can say it is acids. Clear? Okay, now two types of acids are there on the basis of source. Source means where it is produced. Two types of acids are there. One is organic acid, another one is mineral acids. Look one by one. First one is organic acid. The name it indicate organic acid. Organic acid means it is obtained from organism. It is obtained from organism. Okay, once wait couple of minutes. So organic acid that is obtained from organism. Organism in the sense plants and animals. So organic substances, that is organism. That substance is produced from organism, that is called organism. Organic substances. So organic acid, it means it is obtained from organisms, or it is also called natural acid because it is produced by the nature, right? We have different acids. Let us see one by one. First one, the substances, and second thing is acid. Citrus fruit, which acid is contained in the citrus fruit? The name of acid is citric acid. So citrus fruit contain citric acid. Apple, malic acid. Grapes, tartaric acid. Tamarind, tartaric acid. Guava, goxalic acid. Curd, lactic acid. Vinegar, acetic acid. Cold drink, carbonic acid, H2CO3. Tea, tannic acid. Bee sting, formic acid. Bee sting or your ant sting, that contain formic acid. Tomato, oxalic acid, and amla, ascorbic acid. So that are different substances that have different acids. So you have to learn the name of the substances and name of the acid which contain it. These different types of acids are natural acid, that are organic acid because it is obtained from organism. And most important thing about the organic acid that it is weak acid. It is weak acid. But when we compare about the mineral acid that is obtained or prepared from the minerals in the industries or factories. It is prepared in the factories and it is prepared from the minerals. That's why it is called mineral acid. Mineral acid as compared to organic acid is strong acid. So that is the main difference between organic acid and mineral acid. Right now, different examples of mineral acids are there. First one is hydrochloric acid. The formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl, H for hydrogen, Cl for chlorine. Second one, nitric acid, that is HNO3, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Phosphoric acid, H3PO4, hydrogen, phosphorus and oxygen. So that are the formulas of different mineral acid and that are the name of the different mineral acids. So in this section we discuss about organic acid and mineral acid. In the next lecture we will discuss more about the mineral acid and uses where we utilize it. So it is the end of the lectures. I hope you got it properly and try to clear your concepts. If you have any problem, any doubt, you can write down in the doubt section or you can comment. If you like it, then you can subscribe our channel and share with your friends so that they can also get benefited. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.